All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got our next demonstration of the Scope Augmented Reality Guided Training System. What we're using here is a pair of Epson Moverio glasses. These glasses have a pair of little screens right inside them that allows David to see exactly what we're showing on the TV. So everything that's on the TV is also coming right through his glasses. And what we're going to do is show an augmented view that allows David to maintain this entire pump by just looking through the glasses. So the first step is David's going to see the hose that he needs to remove. So he sees that hose. He can then pull that hose right off and go on to the next step. Next, it shows the pump. And so now he's able to see which two bolts need to be removed and exactly where to place his hands in order to safely and effectively remove this pump body assembly. As you see, as he moves around in 3D, it stays perfectly aligned so that no matter if he doesn't understand what he needs to do, he can just keep moving around until he completely understands the task at hand. So, he understands the task at hand, he sees it, now he does it. Now that he's executed that step, he's going to remove that volume diffuser assembly. So it shows him exactly where that part is and exactly what he needs to do to remove it. So he sees it, then he does it. Next step, he's going to insert the slotted screwdriver blade into the impeller. Now, there's 20 different ways you can remove that impeller. The best way is exactly how we're showing it. So he's able to insert that screwdriver, tap it with a hammer, and it's going to spin it right off the end. Once again, he sees it and does it. The next step, he's going to take a pair of slotted screwdrivers and he's going to carefully lever that shaft seal until it's loose. Then he's going to remove that shaft seal. The next step, he's going to remove and discard the gasket, then remove that seal plate. If he's unclear what he needs to do, he simply needs to move around the device and have a look and see exactly what he needs to do. And in real time, in 3D, it's showing him exactly the parts that he needs to do to remove. The next step, he's going to pull out the calipers and he's going to measure that drive shaft diameter and replace that drive shaft if the diameter is less than 15.8 millimeters. So normally you might have to refer to a manual to do that. With this technology, it's all right on the screen, right inside his glasses. So I remind you, everything that David is seeing, that you guys are seeing on the television, David's seeing directly in his glasses. So as you can see, the number comes in at 16.3 millimeters, which is greater than 15.8. So this is a pass, we don't have to replace that, and we can move forward. The next step, he's going to examine that ceramic seal and see if it's visibly worn. If it is, he'll replace it. If not, he'll just reinstall it. So he has a look, looks like it's in great condition. Fantastic, we move forward and we replace that. So now we could place that seal plate inside and apply a new gasket, which is included in the overhaul kit. So there, in the matter of 5 minutes, we were able to disassemble this pump, do the full maintenance, put it all back together, all without ever pulling out a manual, all guided completely right inside his glasses in a hands-free environment using the Epson Moverio glasses, modified by Scope to turn them into augmented reality glasses. And this is a full-on demonstration showing you the power of the future of augmented reality-based training. Thank you.